Ever wondered how hackers really work? What goes on behind those glowing screens and cryptic lines of code? The truth is, most of the real learning happens far away from Hollywood-style heists, in a place called a hacking lab. A home hacking lab is your safe, legal playground to find out. It's a dedicated space, physical or virtual, where you can experiment, break things, and learn, all without fear of causing harm or getting into trouble. Instead of risking your main computer or your neighbor's Wi-Fi, you'll experiment in a controlled, isolated environment. This means you can try out new tools, test vulnerabilities, and simulate attacks without any real-world fallout. Here, you can attack, defend, and break things without real-world consequences. It's a space where mistakes are not just allowed, but encouraged, because every error is a lesson learned. It's the best way to learn hands-on cybersecurity skills that books and videos can't teach. You'll develop intuition and problem-solving abilities that only come from real practice. You'll set up vulnerable systems, exploit them, and then patch them, seeing both sides of the security equation. This dual perspective is crucial for understanding how attackers think and how defenders respond. With everything from smart fridges to cars online, practical security skills are more valuable than ever. The digital world is expanding, and so are the threats, making hands-on experience essential. Whether you want to be a penetration tester, security analyst, or just protect your own network, it all starts here. A hacking lab is the launchpad for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Building a lab teaches you virtualization, networking, and security tools, skills every modern tech pro needs. You'll gain confidence as you master the same techniques used by professionals worldwide. It's affordable, rewarding, and the first step to thinking like an ethical hacker. You don't need expensive gear, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. Ready to build your digital dojo? Let's get started on your journey to mastering cybersecurity, one experiment at a time. You don't need a supercomputer, just a reliable computer that can handle a few virtual machines at once. What matters most is that your system supports virtualization, which is usually enabled in your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. This feature allows you to run multiple operating systems at the same time, making it essential for building a virtual lab. Aim for at least 16 GB of RAM and a multi-core CPU. This will let you run several virtual machines smoothly, without slowdowns or crashes. If you only have 8 GB of RAM, it's still possible to get started. Just be mindful of how many machines you run at once, and close any unnecessary programs to free up memory. Storage speed is also important. An SSD with at least 500 GB of space will make a huge difference, letting your virtual machines boot up and run much faster than they would on a traditional hard drive. If you can, go for even more storage to keep things running smoothly. The key software you'll need is a hypervisor. This is the program that actually creates and manages your virtual machines. VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player are both free, reliable, and easy to use, making them perfect choices for beginners and experienced users alike. For your attacker machine, you'll use Kali Linux, a popular open-source operating system packed with security tools for penetration testing and ethical hacking. As your vulnerable target, you can choose Metasploitable or OWASP Juice Shop. Both are intentionally insecure, designed for safe practice and learning. The best part? All these tools are completely free to download, so you won't need to spend anything extra to get started. With just your existing hardware and these free software options, you're ready to build a powerful, flexible learning environment right at home. There's no need to break the bank, just focus on getting the basics right, and you'll have everything you need to start experimenting and learning. Now that you know what you need, let's move on to setting up your virtual playground and getting hands-on with your new tools. Time to install the heart of your lab, the Hypervisor. Download VirtualBox from the official site. Choose the version for your operating system. Grab the extension pack too. It adds useful features like USB support. Install VirtualBox with default settings, allowing any network prompts. Next, double-click the extension pack to install it. Agree to the license and enter your admin password if prompted. That's it. You now have the foundation for your virtual lab. VirtualBox is free, open source, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. With your hypervisor ready, you're set to create your attacker and target machines. Take a moment to appreciate this step. You've just unlocked a world of hands-on cybersecurity. Now let's build your virtual machines. Let's introduce the two main characters of your cybersecurity lab, the attacker and the target. These virtual machines will be the foundation for all your hands-on hacking and defense experiments. By setting up both, you'll be able to simulate real-world scenarios in a safe, controlled environment. No risk to your actual computer or network. Start by downloading the pre-built Kali Linux VirtualBox image from the official Kali website. This image comes ready to use, packed with hundreds of security tools, so you won't have to spend time installing everything from scratch. It's the go-to operating system for penetration testers and ethical hackers. In VirtualBox, import the kali.ova file you just downloaded. If your computer has enough memory, set the RAM to 4 GB for smoother performance. Complete the setup, and you'll have a powerful attacker machine at your fingertips, ready for action. Next, let's prepare your target. Download Metasploitable 2, a deliberately vulnerable Linux virtual machine designed for testing security tools and techniques. It's perfect for learning because it's intentionally insecure. After downloading, extract the Metasploitable 2 files. In VirtualBox, create a new virtual machine. Select Linux Ubuntu 64-bit as the type, and allocate at least 1 GB of RAM. This will ensure the target runs smoothly during your tests. Instead of creating a new hard disk, attach the existing .vmdk file from the Metasploitable 2 download. This step links your new VM to the vulnerable system image, making it ready for exploitation. At this point, you should see both virtual machines, Kali and Metasploitable 2, listed in VirtualBox. You now have a powerful attacker and a purposely vulnerable target, side by side, ready for your experiments. But don't start them just yet. Before launching, it's crucial to isolate these VMs from your real network to prevent any accidental exposure or risk to your personal data. This setup allows you to safely practice real attacks and defenses, experiment with tools, and learn from mistakes, all without endangering your main system. You're now ready to simulate real-world hacking scenarios, test vulnerabilities, and build your skills in a risk-free environment. With both machines set up, let's make sure your lab is secure and isolated before you begin any attacks or defenses. Next, we'll build a digital fence around your playground. Let's move on to network isolation and keep your experiments safe. Kali Linux comes loaded with powerful tools, but here are the essentials. Metasploit Framework, your go-to for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities. Wireshark, see every packet on your network, perfect for learning how attacks work. Nmap, scan and map your target services and vulnerabilities. Burp Suite Community Edition, analyze and manipulate web traffic to find web app flaws. These tools let you scan, attack, and analyze your target, all for free. Practice using them on Metasploitable or OWASP Juice Shop for real-world experience. Mastering these will give you a solid foundation in ethical hacking. With great power comes great responsibility. Seriously. Only use your hacking skills on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Even a simple scan on someone else's network can be illegal. The consequences? Fines, jail, and a ruined career. Keep all your experiments inside your isolated lab. Think of it like practicing lock-picking on your own locks, never someone else's. Ethical hacking is about improving security, not causing harm. Always act with integrity and professionalism. Never mix lab activities with your regular internet use. Your reputation is everything. Protect it from day one. Now let's make your lab safe by isolating it from your real network. In VirtualBox, set both Kali and Metasploitable network adapters to internal network with the same name, like Hacking Lab Net. This creates a private network where your VMs can talk to each other, but not to your main computer or the internet. This isolation prevents accidental attacks on real systems and keeps malware contained. Start both VMs. They'll boot up in their own windows, safely separated from your home network. On Kali, use Nmap to find your target's IP address. Now you can practice attacks and defenses without risk. Everything stays inside your digital sandbox. This step is non-negotiable for safe, responsible hacking. You're now ready to start your ethical hacking exercises. Your lab is set up. Now it's time to level up your skills. Try Hack Me and Hack the Box offer gamified legal hacking challenges for all levels. For structured learning, check out free courses on Coursera, edX, or Cyberary. YouTube channels like The Cyber Mentor and John Hammond provide hands-on tutorials and walkthroughs. Classic books like The Web Application Hacker's Handbook and Hacking the Art of Exploitation are must-reads. Join online forums, Discord servers, and local meetups to connect with the community. Follow security experts on Twitter for the latest news and techniques. Engaging with others keeps you motivated and exposes you to new ideas. The more you learn, the better you'll get. So dive in. You've built your lab and learned the basics. Now comes the real challenge, using your skills responsibly. Every scan and exploit reflects your character as an ethical hacker. Stay curious and keep learning. Cybersecurity is always evolving. Use your lab to test new tools, replicate vulnerabilities, and practice both attacking and defending. Don't just break things. Learn how to fix them too. This dual mindset makes you valuable in the real world. Expect setbacks and frustrations. They're part of the process. Every problem you solve is a skill earned. Practice with purpose, act with integrity, and never stop learning. Welcome to the world of ethical hacking. Now, the real work begins.